Well, hey there again. D-Doc here. Well, I was correct about the lawnmower. Need a little bit of work. I won't get quite into the details, but I'll give you an idea of what I did. Had to pop off the carburetor, air filter, the fuel lines, and clean them all out. The problem I had is there's a rubber seal around the float bowl, and that had slipped out of place and was hindering the action of the float. Also took off the spark plug and cleaned that out. So that's nice and clean. Got the old lawnmower running again. Let's fire it up and see what it's supposed to sound like. Well, you know what that means. Time to mow the lawn.